If you want to start all over, you want to reset your Windows 11 PC, you have some bug and you messed up something, and now you want to do a factory reset of your Windows 11 laptop or Windows 11 desktop, this tutorial is for you. We will be doing only two simple steps. The first step, if that doesn't work, then we will move to the second step. And I'm sure by the help of these two steps, you will be able to reset your Windows 11 computer. So the very first step is to do the right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And at the left hand side where we see the system, click on that, and at the right hand side we have many options, and we need to scroll down and we will get an option called recovery, and here we will click on that, and it says reset this PC, choose to keep or remove your personal files. I'll click on reset PC, and it gives me an option to keep my files or remove everything. All right, so you can select whatever you want, and once you select it, it will again give you two options, whether how would you like to reinstall your Windows. So if your internet is working fine and you don't have any issues with the broadband or the internet which is connected, I would recommend to do the first cloud download. So it will download and reinstall Windows. All right, and by any chance if this thing doesn't work, then you can try the local reinstall. So we need to try both the options. We can try the first and then we can go with the second option. Now once you select it, you just need to click on next, and you will be able to reset your PC by following the directions which will be shown on your PC. It's absolutely easy to do so. The second method is to restart the computer. All right, like you need to turn off your computer, and the moment you turn it on, just turn it off again. So by pressing and holding the power button, the computer will be shut down, and you need to turn on the computer, and the moment it starts thinking to turn on, turn it off again. Do this 3 times and you will get an option your PC didn't restart correctly, and it will give you choose an option. So here you need to click on either continue. You just need to click on continue, and then you will get an option to reset the PC. Now here you will get the same options, a local reinstall or the download one. Go with the local one and you will be able to reset your PC with the help of this method. Please do let me know if you have successfully reset your PC, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.